No! Ricochet! Back left of the second building. The one to my right, the closest one to you. CJ's the back left, the building behind that. That's where Jordan is. In the door. Connor's in the left side window of the drill house. Got him, he's dead. Woo. Dead. Window. Jeez, I can't think of these guys. Get back left of the building. Over there. Two of them. I can't get them. I keep peeking. The window. Then they keep speaking. Hit! Shot. Oh fuck! Here, don't take the bomb, I'm going to try right. Because I know we're not getting anywhere. It's me. Okay. What's like that? CJ's dead. McCallie! McCallie! I killed CJ! Go, go! Dead again. Somebody's dead. Oh, good shot. Good hit, good hit. Pull back to that cover. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't shoot this thing. Fine. I dropped it here, but it's done my thing. I carried it because I knew to kept doing that. Oh, good. That was a gun hit. Does that count? Gun hit. No. Very close, very fucking close. Oh, that was a head hit. Confirmation on your position. Over. Lodge. Yeah, CJ's left side. Two guys trying to cross the right side bridge. We're on them. You can hold the shit out of them if they're trying at them. Watch corner, watch corner. Yeah, dead man's talking. He just... Oh, they're both dead.
You see it?
They're both dead, that's alright.
Right, let's see the white bit.
What?
See the white, see the bridges?
Yes.
That's the flag.
CJ, watch him.
I see it.
Macaulay, the flag is directly over across the bridge to the right. Over.
Oh.
As in, it has been dropped.
Yay.
Over there.
Amazing.
No idea, but just so you know, it's on the right hand side, so just watch that position. Somebody must have just dropped it.
Connor's close to getting over.
Far side, yeah.
Far side.
It's Finlay. There he is. Try and hit him. Oh, he always just stands there and dodges it.
I'm pretty sure it's not going.
Oh. He really shouldn't do that.
I wanted to get him.
But that won't hit him. No. Nearly.
I don't feel with the helmet on though.
I know.
Hi caps.
Hi craps.
Hi craps.
Oops. I got him! I got him! I got him! Yeah, two pushing.
Let's see it with the range on this top.
Connor and Finlay are pushing to our side of the bridge. That is Connor, Finlay. Okay, we have all four in our sights over.
The place over there, isn't it? There's two flags.
Good year, good year.
Right,
ready. Oh, you're close there. You were close.
Let's see the range for your team.
Well, it's kind of... I need a big bat in this.
You're lower, okay. No! Oh shit. Over there.
Got him.
Yep.
Yeah!